Ashtabula Towne Square, which was formerly known as the Ashtabula Mall, is a one-level shopping mall in, you guessed it, Ashtabula, Ohio. The mall once had 6 anchor stores, which are currently all vacant. They once housed the retailers Farmore, Super Kmart, Dillard's, Famous Labels, JCPenney, Steve & Barry's, and of course Sears. There is one small junior anchor, Joann Fabrics, which is still open, and there was recently a 6-screen AMC Cinema inside, but that closed in July 2023. The mall does include a Dunham's Sports, which kind of sometimes appears as big as an anchor, but it is not technically one of the former anchor stores. It was a very interesting mall to visit. You'll see at the top of the video, there's this very cool video game arcade. Another unique thing this mall has is that it does have an open Radio Shack, and the Radio Shack was kind of cool because it had some other things you wouldn't expect, because they're franchise locations. It sold used video games, like old school games that were actually priced really nicely. There's also sort of a store that's like an FYE, but it's not. It's got some kind of independent name. It's like a local business. Very cool store to check out as well. And the food court, while mostly abandoned, has a cool local business called Three Brothers Creamery, an ice cream shop. And like I said, as you can see, when we walk in, that food court had amazing vibes, and that arcade that you saw. So enjoy this video. We had a lot of fun visiting this Ashtabula Towne Square Mall. This was one of the coolest visits we ever did. And there's also an amazing Mexican restaurant in there called La Casa de Frida, which we ate at after we got home.